Hey everyone, let's see how to set up line messaging channel in Service Cloud. The prerequisite would be creating a line official account. And when you create a line account, you would be able to see two portals. One is manager line business and developer line business. Make sure that you have access to both accounts. The first thing would be navigating to manager business account and go to settings in your top right hand corner. And here in the settings in the left hand corner, you should be able to see messaging API. Make sure that you enable messaging API by creating a new provider, or you can use an existing provider. In this use case, I'm using an existing provider. So make sure to either create one or use an existing one. Once the provider is created, you should be able to see the channel ID and channel secret, which is needed for creating a messaging channel in Salesforce. Now, if you navigate to developer line business account and refresh the page, you should be able to see the provider that is created. And when you click on it, you can go to messaging API. And when you scroll down, you should be able to see something called as channel access token. You can issue the channel access token. So the channel ID, channel secret, and channel access token will be utilized to create a messaging channel in Salesforce. So once you have these three things, that should be good. Now let's go to the Salesforce setup part where navigate to messaging settings and setup and create a new channel. And when you start it, you should be able to see line as a standard channel here and agree the terms and conditions. And in the next screen, you can give a line channel name. I'm going to give it as line demo and copy paste the channel ID and channel secret from the manager line business account. Once that is done, navigate to developer business account and copy the channel access token. So these are the three information that you need. And you can either create a new queue or set up an existing queue. I'm gonna do with an existing queue. So the channel is created. Now I'm gonna set the routing part. Right now I'm gonna route it to a queue. So I'm gonna set it as Omni queue and find the queue named as messaging and set it as done. The critical part is updating the webhook URL from Salesforce to line. Whenever a message is sent, you would be able to send that messaging to Salesforce as a messaging session. So you'll have to update the webhook URL in developer line business account. Make sure that you verify it and enable use webhook URL. Since Salesforce will handle the auto reply part, you'll have to disable it in line. Make sure that you disable it here. So that's what I'm doing now. And when you refresh the page, you should be able to see that auto reply messages are disabled. Now here you can access the QR code, you can give it to the website or to any of the users to access it, and make sure that you activate the channel in Salesforce. Now with the help of QR code, if you go to Line app and send a message, you should be able to receive that messages in Salesforce, and a messaging session record should be automatically created in Salesforce. That's the power of standard channels. Once the setup is done, you should be able to see a new messaging session that got created, and the messages that I sent from my line account should be received here. I haven't went online, but you could see that the messages that I've sent are received here. And if you receive a message via omnichannel, you should be able to chat with the customer. But for now, just that I'm showing how the conversation looks when customer sends it. I'm trying to send stickers here, but you should be able to receive the stickers as well.